You are on your way to becoming a Nevada licensed contractor. By now you have downloaded a license application form from the Nevada State Contractors Board website at www.nscb.state.nv.us under the Forms section. This application itemizes all the requirements you need to do before turning it in to the Nevada State Contractors Board. Nevada Revised Statutes 624.020 defines a contractor as synonymous with builder. Nevada requires licensure for all aspects of residential and commercial contracting. Nevada State Contractors Board application requirements. The first step is to determine what type of license you are going to obtain. You will find a detailed description of each contractor's classification on our website under the licensing section. The classification list is also located in the application form. Here you will find the list of all general contractor and specialty trade classifications. The Nevada State Contractors Board issues separate licenses for each primary classification in each particular trade or field in the construction industry. Additional primary classifications require a separate license application. You will find a detailed description of each contractor's classification on our website under the licensing section. You must have a minimum of 4 years of experience within the last 10 years as a journeyman, foreman, supervising employee, or contractor in each classification in which you are applying. You are required to submit with the application 4 reference certificates. The references must be verified by a qualified and responsible person such as a homeowner, an employer, journeyman, contractors, union representatives, building inspectors, architects, or engineers. The person completing your reference must have first-hand knowledge of your experience. That is, he or she must have observed the work that you have done. Relatives cannot complete the certificates unless the relative was your employer. References that are not complete or not specific regarding the actual work performed will not be accepted. In addition, you must complete the resume of experience form found on the last page of the application. It must include name, current address, phone number, and dates of employment for each employer. Describe in detail the work performed. Specific types of construction projects, trades, crafts, tasks, and duties performed. If self-employment is being relied upon to establish any portion of the experience requirement, include on the resume of experience from customers for whom you worked, including their complete mailing address and phone number. Examinations are different for each contractor's license. The Nevada State Contractors Board has contracted with Psychological Services Incorporated to conduct the testing required. The PSI Candidate Information Bulletins are available for viewing and printing in Adobe Acrobat format from our website under Examination Requirements, listed under the Licensing section. You must be pre-approved by the Nevada State Contractors before you can schedule your exams. Upon approval of your experience, you will receive an examination eligibility letter from our office which contains your candidate ID number. Once you receive this letter, you may contact PSI to pay for and schedule your exams. You may register for the examinations online, by phone, fax, or mail. There are 2 parts to the examination. All qualifying individuals must pass a business and law exam. In addition, the qualifying individual must, if required, pass a trade test covering the specific trade for which you are applying. For a study guide, exam dates, and answers to other questions, please visit the PSI website at www.psiexams.com or call 800-733-9267, Monday through Friday between 4:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. and Saturday between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. Pacific Time. If within the last 5 years you have served as a qualified individual on a license in the state of Nevada in the same classification for which you have applied, references, resume, and retesting may not be required. Each person listed on the application must complete a background disclosure statement. Failure to disclose the required information is cause to deny your application. Your applicant background disclosure statement must include a criminal disclosure statement for each incident you answer yes to regarding felony and misdemeanor convictions. The criminal disclosure statement can be found on our website under License Application under the Forms section. You must provide a properly prepared financial statement and completed bank verification form to establish financial responsibility pursuant to NRS 624.263. The financial statement requirements are found in the application packet and dependent upon the monetary limit requested. Before sending in your application, make sure that you submit your application fee. After approval of your license, you will need to pay your biannual license fee. This fee is listed on the application. Residential contractors are required to pay an assessment to the Residential Recovery Fund. Information concerning the assessment will be provided to you once the application is approved. A license bond will be required after approval of your application. The bond can vary in amount from $1,000 to $500,000. You must either post a surety bond executed on the form provided by the board and written by a surety company with an A or better rating, or post a cash deposit. Cash deposits must be in the form of a cashier's check payable to the State Contractors Board for the full amount of the bond. An administrative fee will be assessed for all cash bond deposits. Please remember to fill out every part of your packet, as it will be rejected if it is not completed. The Nevada State Contractors Board is here to help you through the application process. At any time if you need help, please contact a license analyst in the licensing department. The Nevada State Contractors Board offers free small business assistance classes to provide necessary information about completing your application in full and to answer your questions that you may have. You can contact us at 702-486-1100 in Southern Nevada or at 775-688-1141 in Northern Nevada, or by visiting our website at www.nscb.state.nv.us for answers to other questions.